Grizzly bears, Ursus arctos horribilis, are a subspecies of the brown bear found primarily in North America. They are known for their strength, powerful build, and sometimes aggressive behavior. Here's a comprehensive look at grizzly bears and how they fight. Physical characteristics. Size. Adult male grizzly bears typically weigh between 400 to 790 pounds, 180 to 360 kilograms, while females weigh between 290 to 400 pounds, 130 to 180 kilograms. They can stand up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters, tall on their hind legs. Appearance. Grizzlies have a distinctive hump on their shoulders, which is a mass of muscle used for digging. Their fur ranges from dark brown to light blonde. Claws and teeth. Grizzly bears have long, sharp claws and strong teeth that they use for digging, hunting, and fighting. Habitat and behavior. Range. Grizzly bears are found in Alaska, western Canada, and parts of the northwestern United States, including Yellowstone National Park. Diet. They are omnivores and eat a variety of foods including berries, roots, fish, small mammals, and carrion. They are also known to hunt larger animals like moose and deer. Fighting behavior. Grizzly bears can be very territorial and will fight to defend their territory, food sources, or during mating season. Here's how they typically fight. Posturing and displays. Standing on hind legs. Bears may stand on their hind legs to appear larger and more intimidating. Vocalizations. They may growl, snort, and roar to scare off rivals. Physical combat. Swiping with claws. Grizzlies use their powerful front legs and claws to swipe at each other. These swipes can cause significant injury. Biting. They use their strong jaws and sharp teeth to bite their opponent, often aiming for the neck or head. Wrestling. Bears may grapple and wrestle, trying to overpower and pin down their opponent. Defensive tactics. Rolling and dodging. Bears may roll on the ground or dodge to avoid blows. Using terrain. They might use rocks, trees, or other obstacles to their advantage during a fight. Reasons for fighting. Territorial disputes. Male grizzlies are highly territorial and will fight to protect their range. Mating rights. Males often fight over females during the breeding season. Food. Competition over food sources, especially in areas with limited resources, can lead to conflicts. Protection of cubs. Female bears will fiercely defend their cubs from perceived threats, including other bears. Outcomes of fights. Injury. Fights can result in severe injuries, such as deep cuts, broken bones, and infections. Establishing dominance. Often, the outcome of a fight establishes a hierarchy, with the victor gaining access to resources and mating opportunities. Death. While rare, some fights can be fatal, especially if the injuries are severe or if a bear is already weakened. Grizzly bears are formidable animals with complex behaviors, and their fights are a testament to their strength and survival instincts. Grizzly bears primarily live in North America, with their range including parts of the United States, Canada, and Alaska. Here's a detailed look at their habitat. United States. Alaska. Alaska has the highest population of grizzly bears in the United States. They can be found in various habitats, including coastal areas, forests, and tundra. Yellowstone National Park. This area, which spans parts of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, is one of the most famous habitats for grizzly bears in the contiguous United States. Northern Rocky Mountains. Grizzly bears inhabit the northern Rockies, including areas in Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. North Cascades. There is a small population of grizzly bears in the North Cascades region of Washington State. Canada. British Columbia. This province has a significant population of grizzly bears, particularly in the coastal and interior regions. Alberta. Grizzlies can be found in the Rocky Mountains and foothills of Alberta. Yukon and Northwest Territories. These northern regions of Canada provide vast wilderness areas for grizzly bears. Habitat preferences. Grizzly bears are adaptable and can live in a variety of habitats, including forests. Both coniferous and deciduous forests provide ample food sources and cover. Mountainous areas. Grizzlies are often found in mountainous regions where they can find diverse food sources. Tundra and alpine meadows. In northern regions, they inhabit tundra and alpine meadows, where they forage for plants and small mammals. Coastal areas. In areas like Alaska and British Columbia, grizzlies are found in coastal habitats where they feed on salmon and other marine resources. River valleys and wetlands. These areas provide abundant food sources, such as fish, plants, and small mammals. Seasonal movements. Grizzly bears may migrate within their range based on the availability of food. For example, they might move to lower elevations in the spring to find emerging vegetation and to higher elevations in the summer and fall to forage for berries and hunt animals.